Hello and welcome to Easy Learning Online Classes. And this video is the last part of our factorization series. So let's start. So our first question is carry out the following divisions. So okay, minus 36 y cube divided by 9 y square. So this question is very simple. See 9 1 times 9 and 9 4 times 36. And what about these two? Y cube and y square. So y cube means y into y into y. And y square means y into y. So upon cancelling, there will be only one y left in the numerator. So we'll cancel these two and just write one y at the numerator. The answer will be minus 4y. Okay. The next question is 34 x cube y cube z cube divided by 51 x y square z cube. So obviously z cube and z cube will get cancelled, and y cube and y square means one y is left in the numerator, and x cube means x into x into x, and x means only one x. So after cancelling, how many x are left? Two x's are left. So x multiplied x equals to x square. So if you cancel these two, x square is left. And 34 and 51 are multiples of 17. So 17 two times and 17 three times. So the answer will be twice x square y by 3. Or you can write 2 by 3 x square y. The last question is 12 a power 8 b power 8 and minus 6 a power 6 b power 4, minus 6 a power 4 b power 4. So there are 4 b's and there are 8 b's. So if you cancel these two, b power 4 is left here. And again, if you cancel these two, a power 4 is left. And 6 one times and 6 two times. So the answer will be 2 a power 4 b power 4 divided by negative 1. And 2 divide negative 1 means negative 2. So we'll just write negative 2 a power 4 b power 4. Okay. Next. Okay, here we have to first find the factors, then only we can divide. The first question is 3y power 8 minus 4y power 6 plus 5y power 4 divided by y power 4. Okay, so 3y power 8 means 3 multiplied y power 4 multiplied y power 4, because as you can remember from powers and exponent chapter, a power m multiplied a power n equals to a power m plus n. For example, 5 power 3 multiplied 5 power 4 will become 5 power 3 plus 4. That is 5 power 7. So if this equal to this and this equal to this, So in a similar fashion, 5 power 7 can be written like this, and this one can be written like this. So that's what I have done here. I have broken down this y power 8 in two terms, y multiply 4 and y multiply 4. Because if you take y multiply 4 again, or y power 4 multiplied y power 4, you will get y power 4 plus 4, right? And y power 4 plus 4 means y power 8. Okay. Why I have taken y power 4? The reason is very simple. Because the minimum power of y here is 4, this one. So this will be our highest common factor, or the common factor here. So we'll write this one. Here we'll write y power 4 as our common factor. Then what will be left here? This one will be left, that is 3y power 4 is left. Similarly, for minus 4y power 6, we can write minus 4 multiplied y power 2 multiplied y power 4. Again, see, 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so y power 4 is common, that one which we have already taken as common. And what is left? Minus 4y square is left. And from here, we can directly take y power 4 is common, and what is left? Plus 5 is left. Divided by, sorry, 4 divided by y power 4. So now we can cancel these two, because if there is no symbol available, that means there is a multiplication symbol here. Okay, so we can cancel these two terms. So what is left? Y power 3y power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. The next question is 8 x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube whole divided by 4 x square y square z square. Okay, now you can cancel these two terms. 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8. Now let's write this one more. Just cube just so x y plus 4 z cube divided by x square y square z square. Okay, so from these three terms, so what is the common factor of these three terms? You can find it in a rough space, like x cube y square z square means x multiplied x multiplied x multiplied y multiplied y multiplied z multiplied z. And from x square y cube z square, it will be x multiplied x into y multiplied y multiplied y multiplied z multiplied z. And from x square y square z cube, it will be x multiplied y multiplied y multiplied z multiplied z multiplied z. So what is the common factor? 2x are in each term, so the common factor will be x into x, and also y multiplied y, and also z multiplied z. So the common factor will be x square, y square, and z square. So we'll take x square, y square, z square. And what is left here? Only one x is left in the first term. and here only one z is left. Sorry, this one. Only one y is left actually here. So plus y, and the last term only one z is left. So now x square, y square, z square can cancel these two terms. So now the answer will be 2x plus y plus z. Okay. Then the next question is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. Okay. Whole divided by 2x. Now, what is the common factor here? So the common factor would be the least one or the minimum one. See, this is x power 3 and this is x power 2 and this is x power 1. So this will be our common factor. So write the common factor as x. Then how many x are left here? X power 2 is left and 1x is left here. And here only 3 is left. 2x. So from 2x, we can cancel this 2x. And the answer would be x squared plus 2x plus 3 by 2. Now, don't cancel this and this, okay? Never do this because these two terms are not getting multiplied. We can cancel only if the terms are getting multiplied, if they are in the form of multiplication. But this is in the form of addition, so we cannot cancel these two. Okay, this is our answer. The last one is p cube q6 p cube q6 minus p6 q cube minus p6 q cube by p cube q cube. Do you think we can cancel like this and this? No, we cannot cancel p cube and p cube. Like, cannot do like this. Never do this, okay? Because these two terms are in the form of subtraction, not multiplication. You can cancel the numerator and denominator if they are in the form of multiplication. Okay, I have to write it again now. So p cube q6 minus p6 q cube by p cube q cube. So first of all, we need to find the common factor. So the common factor would be p cube and q cube. And here only q cube is left, and here p power 3 is left. Now we can cancel because here, if there is nothing, it means there is a multiplication symbol. So the answer would be q cube minus p cube. Okay. So the next question is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So what is the common factor here? The common factor here in the numerator would be 5. So what is left? 2x and minus 5 is left. 2x minus 5. And with the help of this bracket, we have made, we have converted this binomial into one monomial, you can say. Now we can cancel these two. So the answer would be 5. Then 10y, 6y plus 21 divided by 5, 2y plus 7. So you can directly cancel these two first of all. Then 2y is left, and also between 6y and 21, what is the common factor? 3. So write 3 also, multiply 3. And then you start the bracket and write 2y plus 7 by 2y plus 7. So the answer would be 2y multiplied 3, that is 6y. And 9x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. So we can cancel 9 and 27 one times, 3 times. And x also. So 1x will be left here, then y also. And between 3z and minus 24, what is common? 3 is common. Okay. So what is left in here? Xy is left. Also right, multiplied 3, then z minus 8 divided by z minus 8. So the answer would be xy into 3 is 3xy. This one is not necessary to write. The last question is 96 ABC 3a minus 12. 96 ABC 3a minus 12 5b minus 30. 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. Okay, 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. Okay, so now we can cancel 96 and 144 by 12. 12 7 times, sorry, not 7 times, 12 8 times is 96. Okay, and 12 times is 154. Then also again we can cancel it by 4. 4 2 times and 4 3 times. Now let's write it one more time clearly. Now what is the common factor between 3 and minus 12? It would be 3. And what is left? A minus 4 is left. Again, between 5b and minus 30, what is common? 5 is common. So b minus 6 would be left. Then 3, a minus 4, b minus 6. You can cancel these two and these two and these two also. What is left? 2 multiplied 5, that is 10. Okay. Next question is 5 2x plus 1 multiply 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, this is very simple. Why I have taken this question? 2x plus 1. Cancel these two terms. What is left? 5, 3x plus 5. Done. Then 52 PQR, P plus Q, Q plus R plus P divided by 104 PQ. Then Q plus R and R plus P. So cancel these two first. And also we can cancel P and P, Q and Q. Then 52 1 times, 52 2 times. And what is left? In the numerator, it is P plus Q. And in the denominator, it is only. So this is our answer. Last question is 20y plus 4 y square plus 5y plus 3. Okay. Then 5y plus 4. Hmm. So you can cancel 5 and 20. Also, this y plus 4 and y plus 4. Now what is left? 4 y square plus 5y plus 3. Now, in the last video, I've told you how to factorize this, right? Okay, wait. It's just a mistake here. No. Sorry, you cannot factorize this now. 3. Okay, 3. No, no, no. Y square plus 5y plus 3. Sorry, we cannot factorize this one because if you factorize 3, you'll get 3 one times, and 3 plus 1 would be 4, not 5. So the answer is this, I guess. Okay. And last is m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Here we can factorize, right? But I told in the last video that whatever is there before the constant number, like here it is negative. So now we have to subtract after factorizing 32, and we have to make 14 with the help of the factors after subtracting. For example, we can write 16 two times, right? And 16 minus 2 is 14. Why we have subtracted? Because there is a negative sign before the constant number. Okay, so we'll write m square minus 16 minus 2 m minus 32 by m plus 2. So it will be m square. Now there is a negative sign before the bracket. So whatever is inside the bracket will become just opposite of it. So this positive 16 will become negative 16 m, and this negative 2 will become positive 2 m minus 32 by m plus 2. Okay. So between these two terms, what is common? M is common. Now what is left? M minus 16 is left. Similarly, we can just write this m minus 16 without wasting our time. Just try to match these two. So m is already written, and we'll write just plus 2. So see, 2 multiplied m is twice m, and 2 multiplied 16 is minus 32 as well. So here m minus 16 is common, and m plus 2 is left. So the answer will be m minus 16. 5p square minus 25p plus 20. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. So what is common first of all? 5 is common. So what is left? P square minus 5p minus, sorry, plus 4 divided by p minus 1. Okay. Now we'll follow the process of middle term splitting. So 5. So what is this? 4. And how will you make this 4 5 after adding? So it's very simple. 4 1 times 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5, which I've done. So write p square minus 4 plus 1 in place of 5. 4 divided by p minus 1. So this would be p square minus 4p, minus 1p, and positive 4. So what is common between these two terms? P is common and p minus 4 is left. Similarly, we can write what is common between these two terms. 1 is common, and we have to write p minus 4 inside the bracket. Now the question is, what sign we'll put here, minus or plus? If we put plus, it will become positive 1p, but here it is negative 1p, right? So we'll put a negative sign here so that it would be negative 1 multiplied p will make negative 1p, and negative 1 multiplied negative 4 will make positive 4 divided by p minus 1. So now p minus 4 is common and p minus 1 was left out. We cancel these two and we'll write 5 multiply p minus 4. This is our answer. Okay. The next question is 4yz z square plus 6z minus 16. 4yz z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y z plus 8. 2y z plus 8. So we can cancel these two first. And y is gone. So it is 2z. And inside the bracket we have to factorize. So 16. We have to make 6 out of this 16 by subtracting the factors. So how will you get it? 8 and 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Job done. Z square plus 8 minus 2 z minus 16 divided by z plus 8. So to be 2z, then z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16. 8 multiply z, 8z, and negative 2 multiply z is negative 2z by z plus 8. So what is the common factor between z square and z, 8z? It will be z. So z plus 8 is left. We can directly write this z plus 8 here. And after writing, you can see what more we need to write by comparison. So we'll just write here negative 2. By writing negative 2, you can clearly see negative 2 multiplied z is negative 2z, and negative 2 multiplied 8 would be negative 16 divided by z plus 8. So 2z, here z plus 8 is common, and z minus 2, z plus 8. So the answer would be 2z, z minus 2. Okay, the next question is 12xy 9x square, oh sorry, 9x square minus 16y square. 12xy 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy 3x plus 4y. Okay. 4xy 3x plus 4y. Now you can cancel these two first. 3 times 1 times x is gone, y is gone. 3 is left in the numerator. And now this one is in the form of a square minus b square. Remember this, 3 square x square minus 4 square y square. Sorry, to get this bracket. So now 3x whole square minus 4y whole square by 3x plus 4y. So should be 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y, because this is our a and this is our b. So a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied a minus b. 3x minus 4. This is our answer. Okay, last question is 39y cube 50y square minus 98. It's right here. 39y cube 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square 5y plus 7 divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. Is it? Yes. Okay. So you can clearly see both 39 and 26 are the multiples of 13. So 13 two times, 13 three times. Y square, y cube, we can cancel right here, y. So what is left? 3y, 50y square minus 98, there, 2, 5y plus 7. Now what can we do? We can just take what is the common factor between 50 and 98. Obviously it is 2. So after taking 2 as common, 25y square is left and 49 is left inside the bracket. 2, 5y plus 7, and cancel these two. So 3y. Now again, this one would be 5 square y square and this is 7 square, isn't it? 5y plus 7. Now this is 5y whole square minus 7 square divided by 5y plus 7. So this is our a and this is our b. So a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied a minus b. So we can cancel these two. Now the answer would be 3y 5y minus 7. Okay, so this much for today. And after watching all the three parts of this video series, still if you got any doubt, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll try to reach you out with another video. Thank you for watching.